Grinnell's one of those places where everybody here truly wants you to do well. You know, when I apply for an internship this next coming spring on Capitol Hill, they will know Grinnell. When I this past weekend was in a program with the Harvard Kennedy Public Policy School, they knew Grinnell and they remembered my name. Whenever I go and talk to admissions at other formidable universities, they remember me and they remember Grinnell. Having been able to get engaged with offices now, I've worked in LA City Council, now I'm working as an apprentice for the Grinnell City, and I plan to do more internships that follow. These are the crucial steps in order to gaining entry into these positions. One, you need to be able to demonstrate that you've done the work, and two, demonstrate that you're really passionate about the work.
As a junior, I was able to get an internship with William Blair. It was a private wealth management firm in Chicago. Less than 1% of people who applied got in, and Grinnell had 2 students actually that year out of like the 36 interns. At the CLS, we have career communities, and they cover a wide range of topics from pre-med to pre-law to business and finance to education to STEM. You get an advisor. These people are there to guide you, to connect you with alumni, to get you the right opportunities. And one way they do this is through these treks. So we got to tour the Federal Reserve, we got to tour Bank of America, we got to explore Minneapolis. And as a freshman, this was a great way of introducing me to the world of networking, introducing me to the world of business, while still having my whole college career ahead of me.